All right, we're gonna make some corny chicken soup. Obviously with some potatoes. So I got 3 russet potatoes that I peeled and diced. Put that in there. Moving right along, we're gonna take 8 cups of chicken broth. 8 cups. That is the equivalent of 2 of these bad boys. Let's get our second one in there. Squeezing this reminds me of when I had to squeeze the Capri Sun as a kid, you know?
It's the best feeling.
All right, now that we got that in there, I'm gonna do about half this bag, which is about 4 cups of corn. You can do canned, frozen, or fresh corn. I got the frozen because I'm trying to stay away from canned stuff somewhat these days. But if you need to, that's fine. Okay, so that's about 4 cups of corn in there. Then we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of paprika. Not too much, because paprika can be a little overpowering if you do too much. And we're gonna throw in 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. We'll do a heaping teaspoon because I like me some garlic. Okay, now, and then we're gonna do some salt and pepper. Salt and pepper, y'all. There's already some sodium in the chicken broth, so I'm not gonna overdo it with the salt, and then we're gonna do some pepper in there. This thing is not very generous, huh? Let's try this. There we go. Got pepper in there. And we're gonna stir all that together. Get it nice and stirred. And then, the most important part, we got 2 chicken breasts that we're gonna, doesn't wanna let go. We got 2 chicken breasts that we're gonna throw in the liquid here. Make sure you got it submerged in there. And yes, we are throwing it in there raw. You want to put it in there raw. Okay, now that we have all that in there, we're going to put it on high, bring it to a boil. As soon as it boils, we're going to cover it. And it'll be in there for 20-25 minutes, and then we go to the next part. All right, so let's take a look. All right, we got a couple steps before we're done. So we need to take those chicken breasts out now. They've been in there for about 25 minutes. I'm going to take them over here and shred these babies up. Another way I've seen chicken shredded is you can take your electric hand mixer actually and just dig into it with that. In fact, I don't know why I didn't do that today. It'd be even faster than this. Okay, so we're going to take this, take this back and put it back in the soup. And then we're going to take 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Oh, let me shake this thing. Take it like a Polaroid picture. Take half of this whipping cream, which is 1 cup. So put 1 cup of whipping cream into the soup. Okay. Give it a nice stir. Now we're talking. That whipping cream did just the trick. Get it nice and stirred up. And then once you have it stirred up, you're gonna just put it back in there, cover it for 5 more minutes, and we'll be ready to eat it. All right, moment of truth. Ooh, that's looking creamy and corny and potatoey and chickeny. Oh yeah. Mmm. Now this soup was made for the winter time. Oh It's pretty hot, but I want to give it a try. Oh yeah, and those that's how you want those potatoes. They are tender. I want to make sure I get every little bit. We got potato, we got the chicken, we got the corn. This bowl is getting hot on my hand. Look at Benjamin. Look at him.
Hey buddy, you don't get any of that.
Sorry, Benji. That is a great soup. It really is. Wow. Get you some fresh ingredients, throw it all in a pot, and you got it.